Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books.
Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Bandara. Here I am once again discussing the topic of technologies. So I am going to take you through the world of business intelligence tools and how they aid organizations in taking decisions. Business intelligence tools are software applications that enable businesses to analyze present data meaningfully. BI tools allow businesses to collect, store and analyze data from various data sources including spreadsheets, databases and cloud-based services and transform it into useful insights that inform business decisions. In today's video, we will explore how BI works, what are the advantages of business intelligence tools and some of the top BI tools available on the market. So let's get into the video. BI tools typically have a range of features that allow users to manipulate and analyze data in various ways. For example, users can create custom dashboards and reports that visualize key performance indicators, track progress towards business goals, and identify trends and patterns in the data. BI tools can also allow users to explore data from multiple perspectives, perform ad hoc analysis, and conduct predictive modeling. There are many different types of BI tools available, ranging from basic spreadsheet applications to sophisticated software platforms that handle large and complex data sets. Some popular BI tools include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Qlik, IBM Cognos, and SAP Business Objects. Now let us understand how BI tool works and what are its processes. Business intelligence is a technology-driven process of analyzing data and providing actionable insights to help organizations make better informed decisions. Here are the basic steps involved in how BI works. First, data extraction. The first step in the business intelligence process is to extract data from various sources, including internal databases, external sources, and third-party applications. Second, data transformation. Once data is extracted, it is transformed into format that can be used for analysis. This includes cleaning, filtering, and formatting the data to ensure that it is accurate, consistent, and relevant. Third, data modeling. After data is transformed, it is organized into a data model that is optimized for analysis. This typically involves creating a data warehouse or data mart that integrates data from multiple sources into single unified view. Fourth, data analysis. Once the data is modeled, it can be analyzed using various BI tools and techniques, including data visualization, data mining, and statistical analysis. This enables organizations to gain insights into their operations, customers, and market trends. Fifth, reporting and visualization. The final step in the BI process is to present the findings in a format that is easily understandable and actionable. This includes creating dashboards, reports, and visualizations that enable decision makers to quickly understand the insights and make informed decisions. Some of the key benefits of BI tools are they allow businesses to make data-driven decisions. By analyzing data from multiple sources and presenting it in a clear and concise manner, business can identify trends and patterns, pinpoint areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that can drive growth and profitability. Another benefit of BI tools is that they can help businesses to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. By automating data collection and analysis, BI tools can save businesses time and resources, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives. Let us understand some of the top BI tools available in the market. Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik share some similarities, but each tool has its own unique strengths and features. Let us see the key differences and which one wins the competition. Power BI is a business analytics and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It allows users to connect, transform, analyze, and visualize data from a wide range of sources and share their insights with others. One of the key strengths of Power BI is its ease of use. It has a user-friendly interface with a drag and drop functionality that allows users to create custom dashboards and reports without the need for complex coding or programming skills. Users can easily connect to data sources such as Excel spreadsheets, databases, and cloud-based services like Azure and AWS and transform the data to meet their specific needs. Power BI also has strong data modeling capabilities. functionalities, allowing users to create relationships between different data sets and create calculated measures and columns. It has a wide range of visualization options, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables that allow users to present their data in a clear and meaningful way. Another key features of Power BI is its ability to integrate with other Microsoft products such as Excel, SharePoint, and Teams. This integration allows users to easily collaborate and share their reports and dashboards with others and to embed them within the applications and websites. Power BI also offers a range of advanced features for more experienced users, including the ability to write custom queries using DAX and M languages and the ability to create custom visuals using the Power BI API. It also has strong security and governance features, allowing organizations to control access to data and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Moving on, Tableau. It was developed by Tableau Software and acquired by Salesforce in 2019. Tableau is known for its powerful visualization capabilities and intuitive design, making it a popular choice for data analysts, business users, and executives. One of the key strengths of Tableau is its ability to connect to a wide range of data sources, including spreadsheets, databases, cloud-based services, and big data platforms. It also has a strong data preparation and cleaning functionality that allows users to transform their data into format suitable for analysis. Tableau has a drag and drop interface that allows users to easily create interactive dashboards and visualizations. It has a wide range of visualization options, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables, and allows users to customize the look and feel of their visualizations with just a few clicks. Users can also add filters, drill down functionality, and other interactive elements to their visualizations, allowing them to explore and analyze their data in real time. Another key feature of Tableau is its ability to handle large and complex data sets. It uses patented data engine that allows users to quickly query and analyze large volumes of data without the need for complex data modeling or pre-aggregation. Tableau also has a range of advanced analytics capabilities, including statistical analysis, forecasting, and clustering that allow users to gain deeper insights into their data. Tableau also has a strong community of users with a wide range of resources and support available online. It has a vibrant user community with thousands of users sharing tips, tricks, and best practices on online forums and social media platforms. Tableau also offers a range of training and certification programs, including online courses, workshops, and certifications that allow users to develop their skills and become experts in the tool. In addition, Tableau has a range of collaboration and sharing features that allow users to easily share their visualizations and insights with others. It allows users to publish their dashboards and visualizations to the web and embed them within their applications and websites. It also has a range of governance and security features that allow organizations to control access to data and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Finally, Qlik is a data analytics and visualization tool developed by Qlik. It allows users to create interactive dashboards and reports and analyze data from multiple sources. One of the key features of Qlik is its powerful data integration capabilities. Users can connect to a variety of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and cloud-based services, and bring them together in a single view. Qlik's data modeling engine automatically identifies and resolves data relationships and making it easier for users to explore and analyze complex data sets. Qlik also has a highly intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows users to create custom visualizations and dashboards with minimal coding or technical expertise. Users can drag and drop data fields onto a canvas, choose from a variety of chart types, and customize the appearance of their visualizations with ease. Another key feature of Qlik is its associative engine, which enables users to explore data in a free-form manner. This means that users can ask questions and drill down into data without needing to predefine relationships or hierarchies. Qlik's in-memory architecture allows users to quickly and easily analyze large data sets, making it an ideal tool for data discovery and ad hoc analysis. Qlik also has strong collaboration features that allow users to share their dashboards and visualizations with others. Users can publish their dashboards to a secure web portal where they can be accessed accessed by others via web or mobile devices. Qlik also has a range of sharing permissions and security settings that enables users to control who can access their data. Finally, Qlik has strong integration with other business systems including Microsoft Excel, SharePoint and Salesforce. This enables users to seamlessly connect to data sources and collaborate with others regardless of where they are located. So, which BI tool wins? Each has its merits and drawbacks. Power BI is strong in augmented and embedded analytics and mobile insight. Tableau wins the top spot in reporting, data querying, geospatial visualization and analytics. Qlik is ahead of other two in providing IoT, advanced analytics, dashboarding and data visualization. Organizations can choose as per their requirements and pain points. Overall, BI tools are essential component of modern business operations. It enables businesses to collect, analyze and present their data in a way that it drives organizations' growth and innovations. The choice of which BI tool to use is completely depend on variety of factors including specific needs of the organization, size and complexity of data, the skill set of users and many others. So it's completely depend on organizations to choose. So that's it. See you in my next video. Bye.